Action!
I am a Muppet. I am a Muppet.
Action!
Gone?
Are who gone?
The IRS. They're after me. For eating peanuts. There he is!
I'm sorry. I can't help it.
You got the beard.
It's too funny, I know, but we don't need it now. Okay.
Are they gone?
Are who gone?
The IRS. They're after me.
I can't help it.
Wait, stop it! Are they gone?
Are who gone?
The IRS. They're after me. For eating peanuts. Shut up! Stop it!
It's your eyebrows!
Quit it! I'll do it! I can't do it!
I am.
That is it! Give me that camera! I have to see what's so freaking funny! It's...
I'll do it! You can't!
How do you get there? How do you get there?
I can't do it! You can't!
Oh, dang, you're recording.
Are they gone?
Are who gone?
The IRS. They're after me. For eating peanuts! Hey, there he is!
I will kill anyone who comes near me.
Stoop walking. It's an expression of the soul. Hello and welcome to Tubert and Son's Guide to the Outdoors. It's a perfect guide to how to enjoy the outdoors and not to get eaten alive in it. Now, as you can tell, I am your host, Smithy Tubert. Or Smith. And this is my son, hold on a second. This is me son. I forgot to name him, but I'm sure they all call him something. Now, we're going to have a great time, so make sure you all come back next time. Hopefully it won't be too long, but anyway, goodbye. Let's put on a smile on it, son. Survival 101. Never make a fire on your pants. Oh, he'll be okay. Survival 101. Don't listen to all those cheap survival manuals. You won't learn a thing from them. It doesn't matter if it's a laxative. It's edible as long as it's green. I'll be right back. Survival 101. How to take a dump in the woods. Now, you must find a pile of dirt or leaves and make that pile higher. Step 2. Find a tree in which you take a dump. You do it like this. But make sure when you're halfway through to turn upside down so you get a great big brown streak down your back. This will keep the flies away, even if they're green.
When you're walking in the woods, be sure to always mark your trail.
Oh, I'm an expert at that.
Ah!
I can even do my initials. Survival 101. Make sure you always camp at a tree. It'll keep all the wild Indians and carpenters away. And also, if you tell the tree through osmosis to knock you out of its branches at a certain time, you have an alarm clock. Oh no, I didn't mean that. You're very useful.